cloudy in the morning. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, Southeastern Waller County in southeastern Texas, Northwestern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Pattison, Oregon, 8 miles north of Brookshire, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tomball, Pinehurst, Hockley, Stagecoach, Pattison, and Cypress. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.